Let's get it, Madison. Big air. Controlled on these squat. Let's get it. Getting that balance at the top. Good. Nice, too. We'll try to push back those hips a little bit more to start. Yeah, very nice. Good. Nice. 5. Way to get that balance at the top. We got 5 more. Keep coming down controlled. Keep that tension at the bottom. Nice. Last one.
Last one?
Last 3.
Oh.
Here we go. 2 more. And last one. So now go ahead and sit back down to the box. And then bring it in front of you from there. Perfect. All right, we got our 6 seated overhead presses. Sitting up nice and straight the entire time. Whenever you're ready. Good. Stabilizing at the top. Hold for even 1 second longer if you can up there. Perfect. Just like that. Nice. 3 more. 2 more, just a little longer up top if you can. Good, right there and down. And last one. Good, bring it on down. So, let's try our front squats next if we can. Perfect. Yeah. Keep that chest up a bit more upright here. All right.
Just doing regular squats.
Then you're doing regular squats. Keep those elbows up. Keep that chest up. Let's get 8. Good. Now we push those hips back. Nice. 2 again. Stable at the top. Keep trying to push those hips back. Pushing those knees out. Nice. Good. 3. Let's go, Madison. Perfect. 4. Here we go. 3 more. 2 more. And last one coming up. Good. All right, we're getting our hands back on the bar. Coming down to our row. We got 12 of them. Here we go. We'll get those hands just a little wider, set them just outside the body. Yeah, good. Nice. There we go. Try to point the chest down a little bit more. Drive those elbows back. Yeah. 3. Here we go. 6. 4 more. 2 more. And last one. So you set it right on down on the bottom if you want.